inch by inch, row by row. Gonna make this garden grow. Gonna mulch it deep and low. Gonna make it fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row. Please bless these seeds.
As you've seen in my last visit to the garden, I've harvested quite a few vegetables, some which come back and some which don't. For those that don't, remember what we're going to do.
Succession planting.
When you harvest certain vegetables that don't come back, but you want more of them, you do what's called succession planting, which is planting seeds of that vegetable every few weeks so that you always have some available throughout the season. And that's what we're going to do today. This is a fun and easy step for me to take to keep my favorite vegetables coming throughout the summer and into the fall. It's good because my local garden centers stop selling these vegetables in the spring, and if I had to rely on them, I'd be stuck. Another reason why this is a good idea is because I am not the only one harvesting my vegetables. Birds, bugs, squirrels, more bugs. Come with me. I see evidence of critter activity. There's a little hole right there. Oh man. Since my uninvited guests wreaked havoc on my garden and left me without certain vegetables, like this is all that's left of my cabbage, it's presented me with an opportunity to plant something else in place of our deceased vegetables. Since I've used up all my carrots and radishes, and my arugula has gone to seed, which I'll show you later, I'm going to plant those today. So let's plant some seeds. But first, know your tools. Gloves, knife, dibber. All three of these vegetables require planting the seeds in rows. A really quick way to make rows is to use something like this to just press into the dirt, and then you have a really nice straight line in which to pour your seeds.
Sow good seeds, everybody. Sow the seeds, everybody. On the mountain, down in the valley, you're gonna reap just what you sow. Sow by walking, sow by talking, sow by everything you do. Don't mind no one, keep on sowing. You're gonna reap just what you sow.
As these sweet potatoes were waiting to become my dinner, they decided to sprout to life. And now I have a chance to use these sprouts to make more sweet potatoes. I even experimented with this sprout that came off of one of these potatoes. And as you can see, there are roots that are starting to grow in the water, and the leaves are starting to get bigger. So this is what's going to happen when I plant the rest of the sprouts in the dirt. Putting this one in water just gave us an opportunity to see what happens when it's hidden away underground. All I have to do is cut the sprouts away from the main part of the potato. The sprouts will go into the ground and make more sweet potatoes, while I can use the rest of it to make something for dinner.
Sow good seeds, everybody. Sow good seeds, everybody. On the mountain, down in the valley, you're gonna reap just what you sow. Hark the voice
We're ready to go into the ground.
Jesus calling, who will come and wake the dead. Tombs of mercy, harvest waiting. Here am I, oh Lord, send me. talk about you. They'll vilify you. Call you everything except the child of God.
This is the same arugula that we saw a couple of months ago, and it looks almost nothing like it did back then. It has little or no leaves. It's very stringy. At this point, it's not producing any more food, so I decided instead of ripping it out, that I would let it go to seed, which is exactly what it sounds like. All those little pods at the end of the plant are seed pods. As soon as I've gathered all the seed pods, I'm going to let them dry out, take the seeds and plant them in the ground, and hopefully we'll have some new arugula plants. Join me next time when I check in on the new seedlings and fight against garden invaders. Hey, you get back here!
Inch by inch, row by row, please bless these seeds I sow. Please keep them safe below till the rain comes